In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the design of a Wix site menu and drop-down menu. This step-by-step guide will help you customize your Wix website to match your brand's unique style and personality. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open your Wix editor. Once you're logged in, navigate to the page where your menu is located. You can easily spot it, usually horizontally across the top of your page or vertically along the side, depending on your initial setup. Hover over the menu and click on it. A toolbar for the menu will appear just above. This lets you know you're ready to start making changes. Now, with the menu selected, look for the Design button on the toolbar and give it a click. This opens a whole new world of design options for your menu. You'll be presented with a variety of preset menu styles. Take your time to scroll through these options. Visualize how they align with your site's theme as you explore. Once you find a style that resonates with the vision for your site, select it. Immediately, you'll see the menu on your page update to reflect the style you picked. Remember, it's all about finding the right match for your brand. Next, let's customize even further. Within that design section, you'll have the chance to adjust colors, fonts, and even animation effects. Start with the colors. You'll want to ensure they align with your brand's color palette. Try experimenting here. Click Customize Design. This opens a deeper menu where you can adjust colors for normal, hover, and selected states. Hover states, for example, create dynamic interactions, enhancing user experience by changing color when users hover their cursor over the menu. Now, let's move on to fonts. Fonts can seriously impact the readability and feel of your menu, so choose carefully. In the same Customize Design panel, you'll find text settings where you can adjust the font style, size, and weight. Match these with your website's overall typographic theme, but don't be afraid to play a little. Fonts can either create a professional, serious tone or something more playful and inviting. If your menu has drop-down elements, click on a menu item that contains a drop-down. This is a vital function for organizing content on your site. Once again, click on Design, then proceed to Drop-down Menu. Here you'll have similar design options. Adjust the background color, text style, and border. Consistency is key, so make sure your drop-down styles complement your main menu style. Lastly, preview your site. It's always best to check how your menu and drop-down look across different devices. In the editor's top right corner, select Preview to ensure everything is perfectly aligned and readable. This step is crucial because it replicates the exact experience your site visitors will have. After previewing, if you're satisfied with the changes, click Publish. And just like that, your Wix menu is revamped, offering a fresh, new look that's tailor-made to enhance your site's aesthetic. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your beautifully designed website menu.